Meet the Kia Concept PV1, a glimpse into the future of city travel. This innovative electric vehicle is built for efficiency and easy movement in busy urban areas. With all four wheels able to steer independently and an advanced suspension system, it can handle tight spaces effortlessly. Its small size and smart technology make it ideal for delivery services, car sharing, and crowded city streets. Keep in mind, the Kia Concept PV1 is still a concept, and Kia hasn't shared a price or release date yet.
Xturismo Technologies presents a groundbreaking hybrid hover bike, designed to seamlessly blend air and road travel. This innovative vehicle reaches speeds of up to 62 miles per hour, 100 km per hour, and can remain airborne for up to 40 minutes on a single charge. Powered by a gasoline-electric hybrid engine and equipped with advanced sensors, the Xturismo offers the exhilaration of flight combined with the practicality of a motorcycle. Priced at approximately $680,000, it caters to thrill seekers and those in search of an extraordinary mode of transport. With its futuristic design and exceptional performance, the Xturismo marks a bold leap into the future of personal mobility.
Blizz Wheel Electric Roller Skates, a revolutionary fusion of classic roller skates and electric vehicles. Blizz Wheel Electric Roller Skates represent a truly unique innovation in personal mobility. Seamlessly blending the charm of traditional roller skates with cutting-edge electric vehicle technology, these skates stand out in a league of their own. Designed for ultimate portability, their lightweight construction allows you to effortlessly carry them in a backpack or by hand. Transitioning between walking and skating is made simple with an ingenious mechanism that attaches to your regular sneakers. Each skate features a foldable foot platform and a motorized wheel equipped with a durable rubber tread, ensuring both comfort and performance. Available in 3 distinct models, each version offers a unique combination of battery capacity and motor size. The flagship model, Blizz Wheel Pro, achieves speeds of up to 15 miles per hour and covers distances of up to 15 kilometers on a single charge. Speed and performance can be wirelessly controlled via a Bluetooth handheld remote or a convenient finger controller. The controller also displays essential information such as distance traveled, current speed, maximum speed, and battery status. With its futuristic design and exhilarating performance, Blizz Wheel Electric Roller Skates offer a fun, fast, and innovative way to travel.
The 2018 Dodge Demon with a carbon fiber body is a lightweight and powerful version of the iconic muscle car. Its sleek carbon fiber panels make the car lighter and faster, with a high-tech look available in glossy or matte finishes. Designed for performance, it features aggressive aerodynamics like a front splitter, rear spoiler, and side skirts. Under the hood, it packs a supercharged 6.2L Hemi V8 engine with 840 horsepower when using high-octane fuel. Thanks to its lighter body, the car accelerates faster and handles better. Its wide design, flared wheel arches, and drag radial tires ensure strong grip for quick launches. With features like Transbrake and Launch Assist, this upgraded Dodge Demon is built for serious speed and control.
The Can-Am Canyon is a sophisticated 3-wheeled motorcycle designed to tackle any adventure, effortlessly navigating diverse terrains. Powered by a robust Rotax Ace inline triple engine with a displacement of 1,330 cc, it delivers an impressive 115 horsepower and 96 pound-feet of torque. The Canyon offers 4 distinct ride modes: Sport, Rally, All-Road, and Normal, catering to various driving conditions. It is equipped with a 6-speed semi-automatic transmission, ensuring smooth and efficient gear transitions. Its high ground clearance and extended suspension travel make it equally adept at on-road cruising and off-road exploration. Enhancing its performance and safety, the Canyon features Brembo front brakes with 270mm discs and 4-piston fixed calipers on each wheel, providing exceptional stopping power. The 2025 Can-Am Canyon starts at a base price of $25,299. For those seeking enhanced features, the Canyon XT and Canyon Red Rock trims offer upgraded suspension systems and semi-active shocks, delivering a more tailored and premium riding experience.
The Terrain Hopper is a specially designed electric off-road mobility vehicle for people with mobility challenges. It can handle various surfaces like mud, beach sand, snow, pebbles, and steep slopes. With a climbing ability of 35 degrees and 10 inches of ground clearance, it allows users to enjoy outdoor activities like hiking, camping, fishing, and beach walks. It's suitable for sidewalks, trails, parks, and beaches, making previously hard-to-reach places accessible. Many describe it as a mini Land Rover for outdoor adventures. The UK Eli Zero is a compact, two-seater electric car perfect for city life. It has a top speed of 45 km per hour and can travel up to 100 km on a single charge. Made with a lightweight aluminum frame, it features regenerative braking and an optional battery heating system for efficient, eco-friendly driving. Inside, you'll find a spacious interior, advanced safety features, and a modern infotainment system for a comfortable and enjoyable ride. The Eli Zero is priced at around $11,990, offering an affordable option for urban mobility. The Ungoverned Vendetta is a powerful electric skateboard built for adventure and off-road fun. It has a rugged design and comes fully assembled with a removable battery integrated into the deck. It can support riders up to 75 kilograms and reaches a top speed of 20 km per hour on flat surfaces for about 30 minutes. On its best setting, it can hit speeds of 50 km per hour, making it perfect for tackling all kinds of terrains. The skateboard features front and rear wheel drive, automatic traction control, and a basic charger that fully charges the battery in 5 hours. Priced at $9,900, the Ungoverned Vendetta is a high-tech option for thrill seekers and adventurers looking for an exciting ride. The Unity One is a compact, bubble-shaped electric car made for city life. It has a top speed of 120 km per hour and a range of up to 300 km on a 24 kWh battery. With its unique seating for up to 3 people, keyless entry, joystick controls, and minimalist design, it combines efficiency, style, and comfort. The base model, with a 12 kWh battery offering 93 km of range, starts at $19,600. The VIP Completions Global 5000 represents the pinnacle of airborne luxury and sophistication. Its interior is exquisitely appointed with the finest materials, cutting-edge technology, and bespoke finishes, ensuring an unparalleled level of comfort. Powered by robust engines, the Global 5000 offers exceptional range and performance, making it an ideal choice for long-haul journeys. Whether for business or leisure, this aircraft seamlessly blends style, elegance, and efficiency to deliver a truly exceptional travel experience.
The Volkswagen Cedric concept car exemplifies the future of autonomous driving, representing Volkswagen's groundbreaking achievement as its first Level 5 fully autonomous vehicle. Designed to operate without the need for a driver, Cedric effortlessly handles tasks such as running errands, transporting students to and from school, and shuttling passengers to the airport, all at the press of a button. Cedric's innovative design eliminates the steering wheel entirely, highlighting its fully autonomous capabilities. The spacious interior features premium materials, including cork flooring and birch leather seats, providing a luxurious and sustainable environment. An advanced OLED screen serves as both a high-quality navigational aid and a media player, ensuring convenience and entertainment for passengers. Prioritizing user-friendliness, safety, and reliability, Cedric aims to revolutionize commuting while contributing to a sustainable future by eliminating harmful emissions. This concept car offers a glimpse into the evolving landscape of driverless vehicles, serving as a visionary step forward rather than a finalized production model. The Volkswagen Hover Car is a futuristic concept designed to transform urban transportation. It hovers above the ground using an electromagnetic road network and is small enough to easily navigate traffic and find parking spots. This two-seater car can operate in 2 modes, automatic and manual. In automatic mode, it uses sensors and its network to drive itself while maintaining a safe distance from other vehicles. While the hover car is an exciting idea, there's no information yet on its release date or price. However, Volkswagen aims to make it more affordable than traditional cars, representing a major leap in energy-efficient, self-driving technology. The Voyager Defense D12 is a versatile, military-grade vehicle that can move on land, water, and tough terrain. It's powered by both diesel and electric motors. With 160 kilowatts of total power, the D12 can go as fast as 40 miles per hour. Its back section is modular, meaning it can be used for different purposes like a command center, ambulance, or rescue unit. The vehicle has 12 seats in total, 4 in the front and 8 in the back. Off-road, it can travel 185 miles, and on-road, it can go up to 250 miles. It also features a special, patented suspension system to handle all types of terrain.
The Xay of Yo-Yo represents the future of urban mobility, an innovative 3D printed electric microcar crafted for city living. With a top speed of 90 km per hour and a range of 150 km, it offers exceptional performance and efficiency. Its lightweight design, swappable battery pack, and compact size make it ideally suited for maneuvering through congested urban environments. Featuring keyless entry, a spacious interior, and a sleek, sporty aesthetic, the Xay of Yo-Yo effortlessly combines practicality with style. Priced at approximately $12,690, it embodies the next generation of city commuting.